To buy this product, please click the link below in the description. Thank you. Electronics Microscope has 1200 times magnification and 1080p/720p resolution. Microscope with USB. Adjust the object to the lens and slowly turn the focusing wheel to see the fine details. It is very convenient. It has a built-in rechargeable lithium battery, which can work for 4 to 5 hours. It is portable and independent. It has enough power for outdoor observation and can be used by hand without the bracket. USB microscope Sealstron can adjust the screen tilt angle to 270 degrees, and the appropriate screen angle can make your work more comfortable. The screen height can be adjusted through the bracket to make the work stable. The wired remote controller can switch without touching the host, which makes the observation more stable and the shooting clearer. 8. Adjustable LED lights ensure the sample is clear and bright. Lighting level to meet your needs. Display fine details and best clarity. The external 2-fill lights allow you to take photos or videos in some dark places. Connect to the computer through USB cable. The accompanying PC software makes it easy to record high-definition video, enabling you to accurately measure specimens. According to the size of your screen, you can achieve up to 50 to 1000 times magnification, more clear observation in the computer. You can also save the image you want to save to the 32GB SD card. For more information or to buy, please click the link below in the description. Thank you.